Discord tips: how to expand your friend list. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to add friends in Discord. Adding friends on Discord, desktop or web version. Number 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your computer or open Discord in your web browser. Number 2. Login. Log in with your credentials, username and password. Number 3. Go to the Friends tab. On the left sidebar, click on the Friends icon. Looks like 2 people to open your friends list. Number 4. Add a friend. In the Friends tab, you will see a green Add Friend button at the top. Click it. Number 5. Enter the friend's username and tag. A new window will appear asking for the Discord tag. Enter your friend's username and their tag number. Example, username number 1234. Make sure to include the entire tag, including the number sign and the numbers. Number 6. Send friend request. After entering the correct username and tag, click on the Send Friend Request button. Adding friends on Discord, mobile version. Number 1. Open Discord app. Launch the Discord app on your mobile device. Number 2. Login. Log in with your credentials, username and password. Number 3. Add a friend. Tap the Add Friend button, a person with the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 5. Enter the friend's username and tag. Enter your friend's username and their tag number. Example, username number 1234 in the input box. Number 6. Send friend request. After entering the correct information, tap on the Send Friend Request button. Accepting friend request. Number 1. Check pending request. In the Friends tab, there is a pending section. Click on it to see all the incoming friend requests. Number 2. Accept a friend request. To accept a friend request, click the green check mark next to the requester's name. To decline, click the red X. Additional tips: correct tag information. Make sure you have the correct username and tag, including the number sign and the numbers, before sending a friend request. User profile. If you are in a server with someone you want to add as a friend, you can right-click their username and select Add Friend from the drop-down menu. Direct message. If you have already messaged someone in the past, you can add them as a friend from the direct messages list by clicking on their name and then the Add Friend button on their profile. By following these steps, you should be able to add friends on Discord easily. If you encounter any issues, double-check the username and tag for accuracy and ensure there are no spaces or typos. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And remember to ring that bell so you never miss an update. Before we go, I want to leave you with this quote: "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Eleanor Roosevelt. No matter where you are in life, keep dreaming big and working hard. You have the power to create your own magic and make incredible things happen. Stay positive, stay inspired, and keep spreading good vibes. The world needs your light and your unique sparkle. Until next time, take care and keep believing in the magic within you. See you in the next video. Bye.